This is the OK Royal Memorial Stadium, located on the campus of the University of Texas in Austin. The stadium is close to the Austin downtown area and the Texas state capitol in Travis County. Like every county, it's divided into election precincts, and each is assigned to a congressional district by the state. Austin State Hospital is located 1.7 miles to the north of the stadium, and this mural is located a similar distance to the south, highlighted to show that election precincts within 2 miles of the stadium are divided among 4 congressional districts, represented in Washington by 4 different members of Congress. These districts are carefully planned by the Republican-controlled state government to divide voters living in the liberal city of Austin into separate districts, influencing congressional elections through gerrymandering. Over 1 million people voted in the 2020 election in the greater Austin metro area, covering 5 counties, 35.6% for Donald Trump, 62.5% for Joe Biden. The metro area is divided between 7 congressional districts. Gerrymandering is done by packing and cracking voters. The 35th district, colored in blue, stretches into San Antonio, carving out pieces of cities along the way, packing in as many liberal votes as possible to exclude them from neighboring districts. In 2020, over 65% of this district voted Democrat. Cracking is splitting opposing voters into separate districts to ensure that your party wins each district comfortably. 5 of these districts crack liberal areas of Austin between them. The 27th is shaped by the gerrymandering of adjacent districts. In these 7 districts combined, 52.2% voted Republican, while 45.2% voted Democrat. 6 of the 7 members of Congress elected by these districts, 86%, were Republicans because of gerrymandering. This happens all over the country, and it's among the reasons the United States has one of the least representative systems of democracy in the free world. This needs to change, because democracy deserves better.